We are the Group 5, Alaysa Lagat, Michelle Guzman, and Noemi Pasion. The topic that we are discussing today is all about the social interaction. The overview of our topic is what is meant by social interaction, the social mechanism used in conversations, what is meant by social present, overview of technologies for supporting social interaction, how has social media changed how we keep in touch, new social phenomenon arising from being able to connect online. Social interaction can exchange between two or more individuals and is a building block of society. We live together, work together, play together, talk to each other, and socialize. Social technologies develop to enable us to persist in being social when apart. They differ kung paano nila tayo sinuportahan and some encourage social interaction. For example, family games with Alexa. And according to the Turtle 2015, others have a negative impact on everyday conversation. The most common form of social interaction are exchange, competition, conflict, cooperation, and accommodation. So in this picture, are we spending too much time in our own bubbles? The reality is that all platforms now constantly feed us content that align with our own interests, friends, and belief system. They are able to take what we browse or post about and feed us back our own thoughts gathered from other social media followers as we have 100,000 friends being the same, say, straw man. Conversational mechanism. Various mechanisms and rules are followed when holding a conversation face-to-face such as mutual greeting, like, hey, hi there, hi, all right, good, how it's going, fine, how are you, okay, so, how life's treating you. In the use of conversational mechanism to facilitate the flow of talk and help overcome breakdowns during it. The use of coordination mechanism to allow people to work and interact together. Conversational rules. According to the SAC 1978 Conversation Analysis of Conversation proposed three basic rules. Rule number 1 is the current speaker chooses the next speaker by asking an opinion, question, or request. Rule number 2 is another person decide to start speaking. Rule number 3 is the current speaker continues talking. So sa rule number 1 is the current speaker is mamimili siya ng next speaker by asking an opinion, question, and request. And sa number 2 is the other person is kung sino yung magdi-decide na magsasalita to start speaking. And the rule number 3 is the current speaker continues to talking. More conversational rules. Turn-taking used to coordinate conversation. Turn-taking is a type organization in conversation and discourse where participants speak one at a time in alternating turns. In conversation, a back-channel signal is a noise, gesture, expression, or word used by listener to indicate that he or she is paying attention to speaker. Further conversational rules. Farewell ritual. Like bye, then see you, yeah, bye, see you later. And the implicit and explicit cause is for instant looking at watch or forgetting with coat and bags. Explicit saying, oh dear, look at the time, I must go. I'm running late. In the case of long-term goodbye, ritual also serves to confirm the connection of the individual to the group, which is particularly important because in leaving, an established network shall enter the transitory stage. Implicit refers to something that is suggested or implied but not ever clearly said. And the explicit is something that is clearly expressed or communicated.
Let's move on to the early video phone from the 1960s. The first video phone was created in April 20, 1964. It is the picture phone dials up first transcontinental video call. Bell's picture phone service dials up the world's first video phone call, and the New York World's Fair science consultant William L. Video window system of Bellcore of 1989. Shared space that allowed people 50 miles apart to carry on a conversation as if in same room, drinking coffee together. According to Crowd of 1990, people did interact via the window, but strange things happened. This shows the diagram of video window in use. This shows the findings of how video window system was used. Talk constantly about the system. Spoke more to other people in the same room rather than in other room. When trying to get closer to someone in the other place, it had opposite effect. Participants went out of range of the camera and microphone. Now let's move on to video conferencing and telepresence rooms. Many to choose from to connect multiple people, for instance Zoom. Customized telepresence rooms for groups. Telepresence robots enable people to attend events who could not do so, such as by controlling their robot remotely. In places such as school, conferences, and museums. Early example, Beam Plus, often dress up to appear like the person to others at the event. Positive experience of being there. Now let's talk about the telepresence and social presence. Telepresence refers to one party being present with another party who is present in a physical space such as meeting room, while social presence refers to the feeling of being there with a real person when in virtual reality. This shows the Facebook's vision of socializing in the 3D world using VR. How much realism and immersion are necessary in telepresence to make it compelling? Telepresence room tried to make remote people appear to be lifelike. They use multiple high-definition cameras with eye-tracking features and directional microphones. What is co-presence? Co-presence is a co-located groups who want to collaborate. Many technologies have been designed to enable groups to work, learn, and socialize more effectively together. Example, tabletops, whiteboards, and public displays.
So, next po tayo is sa coordination mechanism. When we say coordination mechanism, when a group of people act or interact together, they need to coordinate themselves. So, for example, when playing football or navigating a ship, to do so, they use verbal and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication can take place over a phone call and a face-to-face conversation. And when we say verbal communication naman, it's used for body language, posture, and etc. And also schedules, rules, and conventions, shared external representation. Next is for the face-to-face coordinating mechanism. Take Talk is central, sabi niya dito. It means that enables user to pick up a phone calls on an office, desk phone, or mobile via a single phone number. And non-verbal also used to emphasize and as a substitute for instant nods, shakes, winks, glances, gestures, and handshaking. So when we say non-verbal communication, uses multiple channels including your body, facial expression, and tone of voice. Then next is for the formal meeting. So formal meeting explicit structures such as agendas, memos, and minutes are employed to coordinate activity. For examples, finance committee meetings, board of director meetings, and annual shareholder meetings. So next is for the awareness mechanism. So according to Darish and Bly, 1992, involves knowing who is around, what is happening, and who is knowing with. So we have peripheral awareness, keeping an eye on things happening in the periphery of vision. So overhearing and overseeing allows tracking of what others are doing without explicit issue. So when we say peripheral awareness, it is an awareness of everything you aren't looking at. So training our peripheral awareness can help to improve balance, movement, and pain. So our ability to sense what's around us help with our emotion, movement, control, and effective thinking. Is situational awareness. So being aware of what is happening around you in order to understand how information and your action will affect ongoing and further events. So for example, air traffic control or an operating theater. So and one more, if you are driving a car, you should be aware of other drivers and try to anticipate their actions, such as someone slamming on their brakes or swerving into your lane. So next is the shareable interfaces, designed to capitalize on existing forms of coordination and awareness mechanism. Several studies investigating whether they help people to work together better have found more equitable participation. So example, in the classroom, the idea of the equitable participation is that teacher has taken a step to intentionally plan response structure that will help every student participate. So next, more natural to work around. Teacher shares their ideas or teach their students about their certain topics. The next is for more comfortable sitting around the table than standing in front of a display. So teachers communicate with their students by teaching them a good moral and makes them more comfortable being a good moral or role model to them. Then next is the reflect table. As we can see in the picture, leads up to reflect how much each movement of group spoke. Use microphones in front of each individual to this, and studies showed those who spoke the most changed their behavior the most, and those who spoke that least did not change their behavior. Why do you think this is? So we have Sokoko floor plan on a virtual office, who is where and who meeting with whom. So playing together in same space. Visitors using AAP sandbox at the V&A. So AR Sandbox is a 3D interactive dynamic educational tool to help understand mapping, topography, and more. So visitors sculpt landscape out of sand, and system reacts with changing superimposed digital colored landscape and enables creative forms of collaboration. The next is for the social engagement. So refers to the participation in activities of a social group. Social exchange where people give or receive something from others or sharing ideas. Voluntary, unpaid, and often altruistic in the sense of sharing, doing good for others. So website often as a hub to connect people, and retweeting is a powerful way of connecting millions of people. So retweeting goes viral. If we know the epic Twitter battle between Ellen DeGeneres and Carter Wilkerson, millions retweeted in the space of hours, connected millions of people for a fun cause, and many people found it amusing to join it and watch the numbers grow. So about that, Carter Wilkerson tweet begging Wendy's for a 1-year supply of chicken nugget has become the most retweeted of all time at 3.43 million and counting, surpassing Ellen DeGeneres' famous 2014 Oscar selfie Genuine's world records. Sharing quality content you find or retweet is the best role of Tom for gaining an audience. And next is we have dilemma. It is okay to talk with dead person using a chat box. So when we say chat box, is allowing humans to interact with digital devices as if they were communicating with a real person. So Eugenia Keida lost a close friend in a car accident who was only in his 20s. So she took all his texts sent over the course of his life and make a chat box using them. So chat box responds to the text messages so that Eugenia can talk to her friends as if he was alive. So is this a creepy or comforting way to deal with grief? Is it respectful of that person? So siguro para sa akin hindi, kasi mas pahihirapan mo lang yung sarili mo sa nakalimutan yung tao Though mahirap tanggapin, pero at the end of the day, matatanggap mo din. So, lastly is the summary. Makikita natin dito sa summary, social interaction is central to our daily lives. Social mechanism like turn-taking enable us to collaborate and coordinate our activities. Keeping aware of what others are doing and letting others know what you are doing an important aspect of collaboration, working, and socializing. And many technology systems have been built to support telephones, social presence, and co-presence. And last, social media has brought about significant changes is how people keep in touch and manage their social lives. So that's all, and thank you.